Hi, I'm Nathan Macqueen, a Paralympic archer. We're in my 10-metre squared barbecue hut. I never used to barbecue or anything like that, and I met Tara and her parents barbecue all the time. So I've really got into barbecuing, but we stay in Scotland, so we can't barbecue all the time, so the hut's simply a sensible option.
Well, we set a challenge for 1 year, didn't we, to barbecue every month of the year
Yeah,
as
it was
well.
a New Year's resolution was to try and barbecue every month of the year, but all we had was a gas barbecue at the time. So like, we're outside and the gas wouldn't light because it was too cold. We decided to go for the cabin with the wider door. It just makes life so much easier in the wheelchair, low threshold as well, so I don't have to like wheelie over any lips or anything, it's just straight in and out. Like, I was a bit worried about like coming in and just being stuck in one spot, but no, I can get around the whole thing. Once the hut was fitted, we decided to get a nice big ramp put out with like a wee staging area, so I can go out and just sit there and put Christmas trees and stuff on it in the winter as well. We wanted to make it like a wee Scottish theme. I'm quite proud Scot, so bits of tartan and places that we've been, but places that we really like. So we've got the wee posters made and stuff.
Your gran made some nice bunting.
Yeah. 90-year-old gran making bunting. Everyone seems to love it. There was nothing ever changed.
Oh, there is. Remember we talked about it would be nice to have a sauna attached to it?
Oh, well, yeah, there is that, but I need a bigger garden first. When I'm not training or competing, we come in here quite often just to turn off from archery. It's like going away without going away. You come out to the hut and you can just relax, and it's just a nice little escape.
We were trying to tally up how many times we'd used it since we had it the other day.
It was ridiculous.
We kind of lost track.
There was days where like it was day after day after day we were out here. We mostly use the cabin for cooking. It's like a medieval feast when we cook in here, it's awesome. But then we just put some logs on the fire and just chill. If there's rugby, we'll watch the rugby.
Yeah, the first time it was used was a work night out from when I worked at the prison with my nursing colleagues. So I'd left about a year earlier and we hadn't had a night out, so I had my leaving party here. We've had quite a few friends over for steak nights and stuff, where we just do steak on the barbecue and the baked potatoes and the coals and everything, and then the sauce on the wee griddle part and stuff. And it's nice to have them over instead of going out sometimes, isn't it? More relaxed.
It's also nice not having to worry about the weather. You can plan ahead and not think, is it going to be a nice day or not?
Well, we do a charity, so we try and have them around every month for a barbecue. We used to put up, 3 gazebos every time we had the charity event. But when everyone left, Rob and I had a hell of a lot of work to do. So the barbecue hut, is a godsend.